The texture, it's like, you know, the mm, so I will try. Hello guys, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, we're going to do an unboxing, review, and also product testing of Angelic face cream. Okay, before we get started, if you are new to my channel, like and subscribe, and if you have a request to vlog, feel free to leave a message below. And so, let's begin. Here it is. This is Angelic Face Milk White Cream. Yeah, and look at the packaging. This is a Tetra Pak, and it looks like milk. A milk on a small Tetra Pak. And it's very cute and very brilliant and very good packaging actually. Let's open it. And it smells good. Yeah, it smells like tea. Oh, cute also packaging. And here, this is the product name, Roman Skin. And their, this one, the font, the way how the product name, company name is written is like this. According to the owner, which is my new friend, the name or the font was taken from her father's signature, and it has this signature flower. I didn't ask what kind of flower is this, but in every thing that they sell on the coffee shop, yeah, everything that they sold on the coffee shop, it has this flower thingy, and then also the product or the company name. And this is made in Korea. And how much gram is this? I think it's 50. Wait. It's 50 ml, and it's for 18,000 won. In peso, more or less, it costs 7 or 800 pesos. Okay, sorry for the lighting. And I will discuss first what's on the box. So it's natural, bright, and radiant skin, instant tone up effect, and it has a lot of ingredients, which is, I think, more of natural, like tea tree, spearmint, lavender. What else? Yeah, it doesn't have any harmful or bad ingredients. All good. So let me read something on the box. And Angelic Face Milk White Cream that make your skin fine, bright, and clear your skin with vitamin complex, contains adenosine that care for imperfection and skin tone from inside and out. The water drops formula is rich with moisture and soft texture and long-lasting effect that never harsh your skin. Milk protein extract calcium contributes to dullness, to moisturize and anti-aging, to skin like angelic face you've always wanted. Wow, amazing. And so how to use this product? You can use this in the morning before applying makeup. And yeah, so before you go out, before you put on your makeup and everything, you use a little bit of this. This product helps balance of the skin color or skin tone. And then also at night, this is whitening, anti-wrinkle, and moisturizing all in one. You can pair this in using your nighttime routine, nighttime skincare. And it can also be applied around your neck, arms, and legs to bright skin tone. Yeah, to brighten up your skin tone. So wow, it's good. It's not only for your face, but it's also for your whole body, for your neck and your legs and arms. So I might as well try that for my neck and face. And this is made in Korea, and they have a website. I will also post that here, and also the address. Yeah, I will also be putting that on the description box. And this is Tesong Industry. And yeah, the packaging is very cute. My daughter confused this for a Tetra pack of milk, and she said, "Mommy, can I drink that milk?" So she tried to open it. I told her, don't touch this because I have to do a review and unboxing. So let's take a closer look. And this is the product. And this is made of plastic. It's not glass. And it's very cute. Angelic Face Milk White Cream. Natural, bright, and radiant skin. And let's open it. Wow, it smells good. It smells like, oh, it smells like perfume. So I will try here. Wow, the texture, it's like, you know, the cream. I will, because I have makeup on, I will just try putting on my neck. You know the when you make salad, whipping cream, like whipping cream. And also wow. Okay. Smells good. It's very good. So really smells good. It's like a perfume. Let's try to put it on our here. Wow. It looks so, or because of the lighting. It looks like very good smell. I mean, my skin tone here, this is darker, but in here it's very white because of the cream. So also my neck. So yeah, it's whiter on my neck than on my face. Very nice. Very good. Very good, actually. And only this one on my hands. They're on my hands. I think the powder thing on the product. Look. Good packaging. Strong and durable. Good. Let's see. Inside. The fragrance or the perfume inside, it's not very strong. It doesn't have that strong aroma, and it doesn't hurt your nose when you smell it. It's actually light and very good to smell, like that. And so there you have it, guys. I hope you will like this video, and don't forget to keep on watching and subscribing on my channel and turning on the notification bell. Thank you very much, and have a good night.